High-speed motor lamination stamping line. This video shows the complete production layout from coil unwinding to scrap cutting. The double head decoiler supports stable coil unwinding and helps reduce downtime during coil changeover. The S-loop leveler stores and flattens the strip, keeping material flow smoother before it reaches the press. Before the press, the feeding servo controls pitch for high-speed and high-precision lamination stamping. At the press area, each module needs to match the stamping rhythm and keep the strip moving smoothly. In this layout, the GCH-200 works after the press, not as the front feeding unit. Its role is pull-out feeding. It draws the stamped strip skeleton away from the die area. Dual servo rollers keep the discharge synchronized, helping the strip move steadily after stamping. The continuous waste strip then moves toward the downstream high-speed scrap cutting equipment. Cutting the waste strip into shorter pieces makes collection, transport, and recycling easier. The line can also work with a head and tail welding station to support smoother coil changeover. One complete line, from decoiling to scrap handling.